Hi all. We're going to talk about Asparagus Fern, which is one of my more annoying targets, and there's a lot of it on this property, especially after you nail back a big chunk of lantana or something. There's generally a decent seed bank of the Asparagus Fern. You can see it down there in a few clumps. We're going to attack those, and I'm going to show you a pretty efficient way of dealing with it. Here's a little baby one here. We'll just hack him out and just have a look at the structure underneath the ground. Alright, so there's our foliage. It's actually native to southern Africa, this one. It behaves really invasively when you disturb any bits of forest around here. Any disturbed land, there's generally seed bank. Now, important thing to note that these little nodules here are actually a water source for the plant. They're not the seeds or the seed bank. We've got any seeds here, flowers and seeds at this time of the year, so that's why I'm getting onto it. Little ones, as you just saw, are very easy to get out. Bigger ones can spread. Some of these will be spread over quite the distance here. So the idea is you don't need to pull the whole root system out and get all these water sources. You just need to get the center of this plant, which you can see in here, so the heart. I generally just want to cut the heart out. You do need to wear gloves. This one's not too bad because it's young, but they do have spikes on them. The berries and the fruit is actually poisonous to dogs and other domestic animals, so it is one to be wary of. The berries are bright red, just like the coral berries, so they're very attractive to birds, and that's generally what spreads it around. I'll set the camera up and then we'll do a bit of an extraction for one of these bigger clumps. Alright, now first step is sort of finding where the base is. You can sort of pull out here and we see it's going, this one here is going underground. Of course there's more than one. Going around this here. This is why you need gloves on, because I can feel the spikes already. We clump it all up and we can sort of see where the heart's going to be. We break off anything else that's underneath it, and then instead of trying to excavate the whole plant and its root structure, which probably would be about this big, you're just going to try and isolate the heart. There's two here actually. Isolate the heart, drive that in. I can pull some of it out now. I'll pull that up and I'll be able to show you what I'm talking about as far as root structure and why there's a heavy disturbance way and then there's an easy way. So we've got all of that root structure that you can see. It's going to spread. It could spread 3 or 4 meters away from this plant. It's a little bit annoying, but we do have the hearts here and we can just be aggressive with it and pull out the hearts. Now seeing that, look at that disturbance, and so that's what we want to avoid. We don't want to pull all that out. As I just said before, all of those nodules are actually water sources, not actually seed. This one here's got some immature seeds on it now. When they turn red, they're going to be viable, so it's go time on the asparagus fern at the moment. The more seeds you can stop from getting to maturity, the better. Hang it up to dry. We'll do another one now in the easy extraction. Alright, same sort of process. Clear it out, find the base. I can see it already. It's just in there. Work your way around it, get your tool. And so I've just got one big one just in here. Right, we just want to loosen the heart up. Alright, that's loosened it up, shake all the crap off it. And we can get our seckies. And then we can just chop all of this business. And then we're leaving the ground exposed, undisturbed, and we're just taking out the living, seeding, reproducing part of the plant. Now the importance of not disturbing as much is because there's going to be seed bank in there, and the less we can open that up to germination, the better. So that's Asparagus Fern. Baby seeds on it at the moment, not viable. So it's time to go get it.